Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you appeared for the CAT 2025 and Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode was one of your dream colleges, then this video is extremely important for you. Because IIM Kozhikode has officially released the personal interview calls for MBA admissions 2026-2028. Yes, you heard that right. Many students have already started receiving their personal interview call emails, and in this video I will explain everything step by step in very simple language. How to check your IIM Kozhikode personal interview shortlist, then what exactly this PI call means, how to apply for the PI round, what you should do next after getting the call, and important tips so you don't make any mistake. So make sure you watch this video till the end. IIM Kozhikode has released the personal interview calls for its flagship MBA or PGP program for the batch of 2026-2028. This is the second stage of the admission process. If you have received this call, it means that you have cleared the first shortlist stage. Then your CAT 2025 score meets IIM Kozhikode's criteria. You are now eligible for the personal interview round. Please understand one thing very clearly. Personal interview call does not mean final admission. It means you have moved closer to the selection. The interview round will decide your final conversion. Many students are confused and asking, where will I see my personal interview call? Will I get an email? Do I need to log in somewhere? So here is a simple answer. IIM Kozhikode is informing shortlisted candidates through email. The email is sent to the registered mail ID used during CAT registration. So first of all, check your inbox properly. Also check spam folder, promotions folder and updates tab. Sometimes important emails go there. Now let me explain step-by-step process to check your shortlist status. Step 1 is go to the official IIM Kozhikode admission website. Step 2 is login using your registered email ID and password. Step 3 is after login, look for the option related to MBA or PGP admissions 2026, personal interview shortlist or call letter. Then step 4 is if you are shortlisted, you will be able to download your personal interview call letter. This call letter will mention confirmation of PI shortlist, instructions for the next stage and important deadlines. Now this part is very important, so listen carefully. After receiving the personal interview call, you must complete the required formalities within the given deadline. Usually this includes filling the online personal interview confirmation form, providing or verifying personal and academic details, then confirming your willingness to attend the interview. Do not delay this step. If you miss the deadline, your personal interview call may be cancelled. You may lose your interview opportunity. So once you get the call, act immediately. Many students ask, on what basis did IIM Kozhikode shortlist candidates? So here is a simple explanation. IIM Kozhikode shortlist students based on multiple factors including CAT 2025 score, sectional cutoffs, academic background, work experience if any, and gender and academic diversity. So if you have received the personal interview call, it means your overall profile matched IIM Kozhikode shortlisting criteria. So this itself is a big achievement. So here the qualifying CAT 2025 cutoffs for IIM Kozhikode personal interview shortlist is 85 percentile for the general category, but the final cutoff is likely to be in between 98 to 99 percentile. Here if we consider for the general category, the sectional cutoff is 75 percentile in the VRC, DLR and quantitative ability. For NCOBC and EWS, overall it is 75 percentile and sectional also 75 percentile. For SC, it is 65 percentile overall and sectional also 65 percentile. And for ST and PWD category, it was 55 percentile overall and 55 percentile sectional. So these were the minimum qualifying cutoffs. Now after the personal interview round is completed, IIM Kozhikode will prepare the final merit list. Final selection usually depends on your CAT score, personal interview performance, academic consistency, work experience and diversity factors. Only candidates who perform well in the personal interview will receive the final offer letter. So from this point onward, your interview performance matters a lot. So here if we consider the stage 2 process, which is applicable to all eligible candidates who have completed the registration process in stage 1 for admissions to IIM Kozhikode, and it is used to determine which candidates will be called for personal interview. A short list of candidates in each category will be prepared based on aggregate index score, and the weightage for each component is different. Like the verbal and reasoning section scale score has 40% weightage, then your class 10 score will have 20% weightage. 20% weightage will be given to your class 12 score, 10% weightage is given to the academic diversity score, 5% weightage is given for the gender diversity score, and 5% weightage is given for the work experience score. And here if we consider the final score calculation, in that 40% weightage is given for your overall composite score, then 20% weightage is given for the VAT score, and 40% weightage is given for the personal interview score. And on this basis one score is calculated, and then the finally selected list of candidates is done. If you have received the personal interview call, start preparing immediately. Here are some simple but powerful tips. Revise your graduation subjects, be clear about your career goals, know why you want an MBA, prepare answer for common HR questions, read about IIM Kozhikode, like about the values, culture, programs, then stay calm and confident. Remember, interviewers are not looking for perfect answers, they want clarity, honesty and confidence. If you have received the IIM Kozhikode personal interview call, congratulations, you are already among the top CAT aspirants in the country. And if you have not received it yet, don't lose hope, different IIMs release calls at different times. Stay alert, keep checking your email and continue preparing. If this video helps you, like the video, share it with your CAT friends, subscribe to the channel for more MBA admission updates. If you have any more doubts, any queries, that also you can drop me in the comments. Thank you for watching the video.